Carbon monoxide poisoning and death from carbon monoxide is a topic that is overlooked sometimes but needs to be addressed. When we're putting a product inside a house, we have combustion, and combustion creates carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a silent and deadly killer. You can't taste it, you can't smell it. A lot of people will say they smell something. It's usually the combustible byproducts that are coming out of the exhaust. If you have a blocked chimney, a blocked vent, it's a possibility that you may get backfeed into your house that could possibly kill you. So we offer some products that can go with your systems that you can sell to your customers to just help you out in the long run. So we have a carbon monoxide alarm, another carbon monoxide alarm, and a carbon monoxide monitor. Basic component, it sounds at an audible alarm when it's a call to action that something needs to happen. It doesn't monitor, but it just alerts. When it gets down to a certain level, parts per million, hey, something needs to happen, let's go from there. It's a nice little easy friendly one you can install. Locations where you'd want to install this one: in your bedrooms, second floor areas, common places where you take a nap or you're going to lay down, but where you're spending your most time. Putting one of these in the basement and then being in the second floor sleeping doesn't really necessarily help you, but having it where you're at definitely helps out. Second one we have here from First Alert is another good carbon monoxide alarm. Same basic principles. You can install them on every floor if you really desire to, but recommended places is where you're going to be spending your most time. A test and silence button if need be, but all around good product for what it's worth. Then we get into a carbon monoxide monitor. So what happens with the carbon monoxide monitor is it has a digital readout and it has a couple different features versus what alarms do. So the monitor will read out at 5 parts per million, and that's where it starts. It sends a visual alarm at 9 parts per million, and then when there's a call to action and something needs to be done, it sets an audible alarm off. So this gives you more of a monitoring feature that you can see if there is any changes or if there is something happening, you can start early to resolve it. There are safe levels of carbon monoxide in parts per million. There's also bad levels. If you run into a situation where this is, please evacuate the building, get your pets out, get yourself out, call 911. Let them take care of it and then go from there.